Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you're signed in with an administrator account because disabling sign-in options can be blocked for standard users. Once ready, open Settings, go straight to Accounts, then Sign-in options so you're at the right controls. You'll see Windows Hello entries, face, fingerprint, and PIN, which you'll target. Do this now because it puts all relevant toggles and remove buttons in one view. This reduces confusion when you move to remove each authentication method. Now remove the PIN first, because Windows often requires removing a PIN before biometrics. Click PIN and choose Remove, then confirm by entering the existing PIN. Once the PIN is gone, disable or remove Windows Hello Face and Fingerprint by selecting each and tapping Remove. If a Remove button is grayed out, make sure you signed in as admin and check that no security policy or credential stored in Credential Manager is forcing enrollment. After each removal, give the system a moment to finish, restart your PC so Windows commits the sign-in configuration changes and clears cached credentials. If Windows Hello options reappear or cannot be removed, check Group Policy Editor or your organization's MDM settings because policies can force enrollment. You'll need to disable the policy or contact IT. As a fallback, sign into a local administrator account or boot into safe mode to remove persisted credentials. This often bypasses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.